Can you solve this before me? 25% of what number is 45? So let's take it one after the other. So let's just write this as 25% of is the same thing as multiplication of, let's first write 25% of what number? Let's make that number x is 45. So this way now we can write 25 over 100 then times x equals 45. This is the same as writing 25x over 100 to be equal to 45. Then we can cross multiply so that 25x will be equal to 4,500. Then let's divide both sides by 25 so that x will be equal to 25 will go in 45 one time, remainder 20, right? 25 will go in 200 8 times, then we have 0. So x is equal to 180. This means that 25% of 180 is 45. 25% of 180 is 45. Did you get it before me? Let me know in the comments.